everyone, welcome back to this Easy Sewing channel. If you like sewing, easy projects, you are in the right channel. I will advise you to subscribe the channel and turn the notifications on because we have lots of easy sewing projects. I believe you will love it. Today we are going to complete a table set we started last week. If you didn't watch the heat ball protector, I will leave the link on the description below for you to watch it later. But today we are going to make this lovely reversible, well, you can use it on both sides. I have done a quilt, and this, my friends, is not biased. So if you want to see how to make this, stay with me because this project is very easy. It's perfect for beginners. So let's go start it. To make our placement, we are going to need 2 pieces of fabric measuring 30 centimeters per 45 centimeters, twice. Interfacing, I am using foam 0.3 millimeters and a stripe measuring 8 centimeters. It needs to be enough to do all the fabric around. I have 2 stripes here measuring 88 centimeters. I'm going to sew it here and make just one. I didn't have the all fabric I needed. And that's it. It's all we need. So first of all, I'm going to sew my strap. Now I'm going to open these seams. And let's keep it apart for a little while. Now I'm going to make a sandwich with the main fabric and the lining fabric. I'm using the same kind of fabric, it's an option. Now we are going to make a decorative quilt on this sandwich. I have a video how to show how to make a decorative quilt. I will leave the link on the description below. Now I'm just going to show it quickly. I already draw what decorative quilt I want to make. Now I'm going to stitch all of it. All quilt is now done. Now we are going to get our strap. I measured 2 centimeters and I draw a line all over because it will be easier when we are sewing. So we are going to match the edges together. Here on the top I will fold a little bit. I will start it more or less here, all over this line. And so let's sew it all over the line. It's like 2 centimeters to the end. What we are going to do, we are going to fold this for our right side. To match this corner here with this folder here, and then we are going to fold back like this. So this edge needs to be matching this edge, and here the same thing. Now we are going to sew it from this line here as well. And we are going to do the same process on the 3 corners left. The same thing, turn it right, and then turn it left. Now let's sew it again. Now we are almost in the end. What we are going to do, I folded this before and we have imaginary line here. So we are going to cut this. And we are going to fold like this, and then we have our imaginary line here and here, but if you want you can draw a line, and then we are going to clip it. Now we are going to pull, and we are going to sew it all over the line we have done. And now we can trim off a little bit. Open the seams, and we are going to start sew it when we finished until when we started. So now we are going to turn around. Make sure the seams press the seams. If you want, you can iron them. Now we are going to fold this until the edge and fold it again. The point is, we need to cover this suture here, and then when we turn, we are going to top stitch this line here to make sure you will catch this one. So it's very important when you fold this, you cover the seam all over. On the corners you are going to do the same thing, so you will fold until the end, and here as well, and then just put it inside, and then like this. So the corner needs to be like this. They need to be matching. I will show you how not to do it. You see, they are not matching. So this is a good corner. That's how you need to do it. I iron it as well to fix the fabric, and now we are going to top stitch this fabric as I told you. So we need to make sure the suture we are going to do, it is on the one we did before. So make sure that suture is going to be there. All done now. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, I'm in love. This set is lovely. If you like this project, don't forget to give us your thumbs up. It will help the channel. And tell me on the comments below what kind of easy sewing projects you'd like to see on this channel. Once more, thanks so much for watching the channel. And I will see you on the next video. Bye!